Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be testing out an Erin Condren sticker kit inside the Hobonichi Cousin. So I grabbed the Dandelion kit from my shop. This has 6 sticker sheets, so lots and lots of stickers to test out today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is lay down the bottom washi. Now, the Erin Condren washi strips are a lot longer than the Hobonichi Cousin, so I'm just marking a little spot here so that I can trim it so it will fit. You guys are going to see I actually use tons of different cutting tools in this video. I just wanted to see which one worked best. The first one here I actually just used with my scissors, and I just eyeballed the mark, so it wasn't completely accurate. So there is a little bit of space on the left and right, so I thought it'd be perfect to use the marigold stickers to cover that up, and it looks so pretty. So I'm actually kind of glad that I messed up. That's what's fun about the sticker surgery, to make these kits work for any planner. I think that it's really fun and it makes it your complete own. So I'm just trimming off the excess of the sticker on the back there. And then I'm going to put down all of the date covers. Now, the date covers are flags, and you can see that they go over the next day. So I grabbed my slice tool. And actually, it's really not the best tool to use in the Hobonichi Cousin because the paper is so super thin. I was trying to be extra careful to make sure that I wasn't slicing through the paper, and my stickers are vinyl. You kind of have to use a little bit more force to it. So I did try it a few more times because it is so much more accurate than using scissors, but I decided to switch it up and use the scissors for the last half of the week. And then I'm just going to finish off by putting down all of the date dots down. Now I'm so glad that I started with the 1st of March. That is on Sunday, because a lot of times I will mess it all up. So I'm glad I got that down. Now I'm moving on with all of the checklists. Now you can see the left column here is a little bit larger than the daily column, so I was able to fit the Erin Condren box totally fine on the left without having to cut it. You guys can see I am cutting the full box with the slice tool again. You can see I was going super slow to make sure that I did not cut through, but even though I was extra careful, I could see a little bit of a cut in the paper. So I decided to retire the slice tool and just cut the full boxes. Now you can see on the right on Sunday, the full box actually fit there as well. So the left and the right columns can fit the Erin Condren sticker kits perfectly fine, so I did not have to trim either one of those. Now moving on to the sidebar, I grabbed a long strip of washi. All of the sticker sheets do have a long strip of washi on it. I also put down a little scallop box and the beautiful dandelion in the corner there. So I wanted to make sure that I covered up all of the black, and it looks perfect. I did have to pull up the smaller task reminder just to put up on top of the larger one, because it was a little tight and the large one was covering up the smaller one a little bit. So this looks so much better. Now I wanted to put down some washi, so I'm using my paper trimmer this time to actually cut it, because when I was cutting the full box checklist, they were not perfect either. I was just eyeballing it, and of course each one is a little crooked. The paper trimmer did a fantastic job of getting everything straight, so I definitely recommend using that. Now I'm also eyeballing the full boxes to cut these, but instead of using the paper trimmer that I was just using, I brought it over to my large paper trimmer, and I would say I like the smaller one better, because the larger one has this like huge handle on it, and when it gets down to the end of it, it kind of slants the cut. So I definitely prefer the smaller one over the industrial size one, and even scissors. Now, if I was just putting down a couple stickers here and there, I would probably stick with scissors, but because I have to cut all of the stickers, like all of the full boxes, these headers that I'm putting down, washi strips, all of that, definitely a paper trimmer worked really well and so much faster than using scissors. Now I'm just finishing off putting down all of the purple headers. I thought it would be a good way to separate all of the full boxes and the checklist and kind of create a middle section just like I would in the Erin Condren. Now most of the deco and functional stickers will fit without having to trim them. The weekend banner, however, is a lot larger, I decided to actually put it in the middle of Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, since technically, like, Friday night's the weekend too, right? I mean, I know when Friday comes around, I am loving it. It is my fun night. I usually watch a movie on Friday night, so I put that down there, and actually that fit perfect inside the boxes as well. And then I'm just putting down some of the icon stickers, my laundry sticker, and that fit perfectly. The boxes, just like the full boxes and the checklist, do need to be trimmed, but I actually really like that it's trimmed, and I decided to put a little dandelion on the cut line, even though I think it looked fine without having something like covering that up. So I'm just putting down some more stickers, the meal sticker, me time sticker. Like I said, I love my Friday. And then I'm just putting down a bill due sticker. I'm also going to put down another little washi sticker. This is actually one of the chevron boxes. And then I'm trimming a little washi strip that says, remember, Thursday's usually one of my busy days, so I thought that that would be useful. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how Erin Condren Sticker Kits fit inside the Hobonichi Cousin. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!